Let's take a minute to decipher an OC course listing. From the OC homepage, pull down Programs to Class Finders. Let's look at the Academic Class Finder and we'll pick Fall 27 and Anthropology. Okay, here's a course called Anth 121. Anth stands for Anthropology. 121 is the course called Intro to Cultural Anthropology. Happens to be taught at all 4 campuses and a distance version. Now, the 001 section is in Kelowna. The 051 section is in Penticton. 061 is in Salmon Arm. Anth 121 071 is in Vernon, and the D11 section is the distance version at the same course. Now, if you look under the CRN column, that's course reference number, you see that each section has a unique CRN, a unique course reference number. So that's one way to identify that you've got the right course. Let's go look at the same course in Moodle. As an experiment, we're going to try and find Anth 121 D11 that we found in Class Finders. So, in the navigation block, click on the Site Home, scroll way down to the bottom, and you get a search field. I'm going to put Anth-121-D11 in there. Upper or lowercase doesn't matter, but the hyphens do matter. Okay, so here's the list of the 9 Anth 121 D11 course sections in Moodle. Which one is the one that we want? Have a look at the last 6 digits. The 2016, 2017, 2018, those 4 digits tell you what year. The last 2 digits, the 10, 20, 30, tell you what term. 10 is the winter, 20 is the summer, and 30 is the fall. So what we're looking for is 2017-30, the fall of 2017. There it is. We can confirm that by checking that CRN 33470. That is the correct course. Here's another way to go about it in Moodle. Let's, in that search field, put the CRN 33470. There's only one choice. That was too easy. Let's try something a little challenging. I'm going to pick a CRN 32345, and it now shows me 4 different courses from different terms, different subjects. So you can see that the CRNs are reused from term to term. So just knowing the CRN is not sufficient. You got to know the CRN and the term. That makes a unique identifier for the course. Now, generally, you're only looking for courses that you are enrolled in, which show up in your Moodle dashboard. But keep all this CRN year term stuff in the back of your mind, because later on we'll need that when we learn to import content from one course to another. Now, suppose you've requested a development shell. Generally, these have a capital DEV in the title. So in the search term at the bottom here, I put Anth, the %, that's a wild card, and the DEV. So I'm going to find anything that starts with Anth and ends with dev, or includes dev in it somewhere. And here are my 6 anthropology development courses. Now, I apologize because this is a little confusing, but understanding CRNs and term designations will really help you make sure that we're working on the right section. Oh, one more little complication. Continuing Studies has a slightly different system. They use different numbers for their terms. They like to use 11, 21, 22, and 31 to identify their winter, spring, summer, and fall terms. So the CRN plus the year and the term will uniquely identify what you're looking for.